In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. If you're managing projects and want to keep track of key deadlines, this is a helpful feature to use. Let's get started. First, go to Monday.com and sign in to your account. Next, go to the workspace where you want to add a milestone and open the board you're working on. Then, click the plus button at the top of a group to add a new column. Add a timeline column, since this will help define the milestone visually across a start and end date. After that, set a start and end date for the item you consider a milestone. This defines its time frame. If you want a better view of all milestones, go to the Gantt chart view, where your timeline will appear synced and clearly marked on the project timeline. And that's how you add a milestone in Monday.com. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you next time!